Hey, Sight Reading Factory, how'd you do that? I'm going to show you how to customize leaps within a Sight Reading Factory exercise. Perhaps you have a vocalist that wants to practice a certain interval, or a clarinet who wants to practice over the break. Here, I'll show you how. When you start to practice, you're going to choose your instrument or voice type. I'm going to choose soprano. When you get to the level screen, you want to hit custom. Our first screen will be our rhythm, and we're not going to focus on that today, so I'm just going to do quarter notes. And then when you get to the pitches screen, you can have a maximum leap size, which will show you all the different intervals, seconds and thirds and fourths. And that will be leaps no greater than, but that includes majors and minors. So let's say we want to have a specific interval we want to practice. If you go to custom, I'm going to choose scale degree 5, descending to scale degree 3. And then I'm also going to add scale degree 5, ascending to scale degree 1. I'm also going to hit start on tonic because that's a personal preference. 4/4, C major. And here's our exercise. So let's look for our intervals. We have our so to do, and we also have our so to mi. And there's some more in there as well. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to do that, to make custom leaps on SightReadingFactory.com.